Hi friends, it's Rhonda here, Rhonda Wade from Ovid, Michigan, but I wanted to pop in for just a really quick video, maybe 3 or 4 or 5 minutes long. Stampin' Up is celebrating their 35th year in business, which is incredible. Personally, I've been a part of it since I was 25 years old. I fell in love with crafting. I have never been a crafter before, and I truly fell in love with the art of stamping and paper crafting because you don't have to be talented. Stampin' Up and their amazing designers and their amazing company do all the coordination, all the work for you, and I can just use their products to create some amazing projects that I get to fill with love when I fill them in, when I create them, and then to brighten someone's day. But why I'm actually doing a video here with you is because for their 35th anniversary, they are offering the very best special they ever have to be a part of our company and a part of my team. So I want to give you a little bit about that special and a little bit about me and my team and why you'd want to be a part of it too. More so, I want you as a part of it. We have so much fun together, and people that love to learn, love to share, love to create, that is who we love to have on our team. We are one that celebrates every single person and what they bring to the team, and what they bring, especially their creativity. So we love seeing your creative projects. Anyway, my team is called the Rubber Queens. We have been around for 22 years, and I'm also here to tell you that this is my future. This is what I'm doing for my entire life. I have no interest in branching out and doing anything else. I know you'll hear the term side hustle or hear the team. This is not my side hustle. This is my main hustle. Actually, my family is, my faith, my family, they're my main hustle. So I'm not sharing that time with anything else but with Stampin' Up. I also have a team of over 500 that is spread all throughout the country, and I am extremely dedicated and loyal to serving them, and we are just like a family, and I would never ever want to split my time with that family. So I want you to know that too, so that when you join my team, you know that you can count on me to be here for as long as you are here too. And all of us, we have an incredible leadership team that helps just fill all of our cups, both creative and also inspiring those that maybe want to make a little extra money from your crafting hobby. We do all that, and we actually have people who do this who earn trips and who is their full-time business, and people who are building their business from scratch. As a matter of fact, my daughter, who is turning 20, just joined this month, and she is starting her very own paper crafting business, and I'm so excited to help her do that. Okay, so here's the special. Our starter kit is always the best deal in the catalog. If any of you purchase a lot, you really want to consider buying the starter kit. It's only $99, and you pay no shipping, so that saves you 11%. And you get to pick out $125 in product of your choice. So if you want to do the Stampin' Cut Emboss machine, it's completely paid for, right? If you want to do bundles, or if you want to stock up on cardstock, if you want to get something new, you can do that too. So, but this month only, it's a 35th anniversary special, so you have 2 choices. Stampin' Up's giving you choices. Choice 1 is if you want to save money, and that is the choice that my daughter picked. She wanted to get started as inexpensive as possible. She's a young, hardworking girl, and then she can start right in either making money or start right in and purchasing things as she wants to, slowly and as she can afford it. So then your kit is it's 35% off, but you still get $125 in your kit. So basically it's 50%. Like, you're gonna pay 50% and get all of it and still pay no shipping. You also get a paper pumpkin included too, so it's even more valuable than what you realize. So you can pay $64 and get the whole kit. Others of you might want to you can still spend the $99, and Stampin' Up will give you 35% more for your money. So you're going to pick out, I think it's like $165 in product and only pay that $99. So either you want more product right away, or of course you can wait and get it with your discount too. So there's three main reasons why. Oh gosh, there's actually so many, but three that I can really start off with. And number one is you do get a discount. When you join the Stampin' Up family, it's almost like you can, like I'm still my best customer. I still love using my discount and getting what I want and maybe what I need at a discount. So you save 20% right away. After you have put in a certain threshold of sales, either buy a class or just buying it yourself or running maybe just you and your friends, then you get to get 25%, and that's just the beginning. Personally, I make over 40% of my sales, and some people make 30%. It all depends on what you want to do. But no matter what, we all get you start off at 20% off, so it's your discount, and then that jumps to 25 once you hit this first threshold. So Stampin' Up is rewarding you for sticking around and buying from yourself. So that's it, as you get a discount. If you're buying it already, it's really a no-brainer. You do not have, they call us demonstrators, but you do not have to demonstrate anything. You just need to use and purchase your own product. A lot of you who stamp with me, you'll see my classes and you'll want to make my classes. And in my classes, I don't include the stamps or the bundle or the ink. So you can buy all that yourself. And then if you want to, then you can still purchase those classes. And I just give you the paper that you can then create. So you can use your discount. And still, if you're one of my customers and still get all my classes, a lot of people still do. But then when you need to get all of your consumable items, you'll buy them from yourself at a discount. So they're so much cheaper. Number two is you get to get things early. So let me show you right now. So one of the biggest perks about joining right now is you also get a free registration to our upcoming, they call it On Stage, and it's a virtual platform this year in November, but you'll get to be the first to see all the new products coming out. You'll be the first to be able to purchase it so that it's available. You don't have to worry about, like for your own purchasing, you don't have to worry about it selling out. You get to get it first. So right now we get this adorable, we can purchase. Now this is only for demonstrators. Customers can't purchase this. And this is only for people who are attending On Stage. But if you join, by the way, this special ends tomorrow. If you join today or tomorrow, you can purchase this now and be able to have it before everybody else because you would be attending the On Stage for free. But look, it's a punch bundle with a bee. It's so cute. And you can also get these really cute boxes. And then there's a really awesome ribbon that I have hiding somewhere. It's somewhere. And some really cute little tiny flowers. So that's a big perk though. Everything, like all the autumn paper, we were able to get it all first. Everything. When the catalogs, we get to do what's called a pre-order. And that is a benefit of those purchasing, but for like me or somebody who does classes, it's a benefit because we need to get it in early so we can prepare those projects for our customers to be able to purchase them as well. So those are the two main things. And the third thing is that it's structured so that you can make money if you want to. You can sell your projects, you can teach classes, you can do craft fairs, you can sell your cards, you can set up in a storefront and sell your projects there. You can, sell to your family and friends, and then you can actually make a little bit of money too. When I started, that was solely my purpose. I was very young and I had no money whatsoever, but I fell in love with wanting, not just one ribbon. I have to have all the ribbons, and not just one color. I had to have all the colors, but I definitely could not afford it. And so I started just doing a few, just one class a month, maybe two. And my goal was every penny I made, I was just able to buy more things. But I didn't have to use my family budget to do that. So, and then of course, this is where I am today, right? It is totally different. This is my full-time business. It supports my family, and we do amazing things, and so blessed to do that because of paper crafting. Anyway, so that option is there too. So anyway, if you want to join, I will share the link with this video. If you want the special, you do have to join before tomorrow at midnight. If you need my help, just reach out and message me, and I will try to help you the best that I can. I do have a couple of very busy days, but I will try to get back to you. And let's see what else. I think that's it. I would love to have you a part of our team. Again, we are all over the country. We gather every month, 2 times a month. We do it here in Michigan. So if you're close to Michigan, hey, we got some friends that would love to have you come. We get together every month and have for 20 years. But we also meet online on a Zoom, and everybody joins all over the country. We craft together, we do demonstrations, we learn. I love recognition, we play games. It is a way for you to fill your cup, kind of get a little escape from reality, being part of something that is truly fun and rewarding. And you get to make it whatever you want it to be. It is your hobby, it's your craft that you can just enjoy and have it be a fun part of your life. And we would love you to be a part of the Rubber Queens. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. And if you are watching this and it's after October, you can still join. The kit is always a phenomenal deal. You always still get your discount. And you still get free shipping, you still get the free paper pumpkin, and you still get to be a part of our team and enjoy all those amazing benefits that I pointed out. All right, I look forward to your questions. I look forward to you joining. I look forward to all of that. And if you decide, nope, Rhonda, I still just like to purchase from you, I still just like to buy my stuff and pay full price, that's okay. I love you too. I love my customers, but I really know that what's best for you is to get your stuff at a discount and be a part of a engaging, inspiring community of people that will really help you get the most out of your paper crafting. All right, I look forward to hearing from you.